In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button to your Shopify collection page. This is a great way to make it easier for customers to shop because they won't have to click into each individual product page. Instead, they'll be able to add items directly from the collection grid. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're not very familiar with code. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on Online Store, and then select Themes. This will open the area where you can manage how your store looks and behaves. On the Themes page, locate your current theme. You should see options like Customize and Edit Code. Look for the small icon with 3 horizontal lines, or an option that opens more theme actions. Then choose the option that lets you access the code editor. This is where we'll add the code for the Add to Cart button. Once the code editor opens, you'll see a list of folders and files on the left side. Look for the folder labeled Snippets. Click on it to expand the list of snippet files. In that list, find the file named Card Product Liquid, or something very close to that, depending on your theme. This file controls how each product card appears on your collection pages. Click on that file, and the code for it will appear on the right side of your screen. Slowly scroll all the way down to the bottom of this file. We're going to add our Add to Cart button code at the end, so make sure you're at the very bottom. Now, you'll need to copy and paste the exact code shown in this tutorial. When you reach this part of the video, feel free to pause so you can carefully copy the code and paste it into the file. Take your time here and make sure you don't accidentally remove or change any existing code. After pasting the code, go to the top right of the code editor and click Save. Wait for the save confirmation so you know your changes have been applied. Next, open your actual online store in a new tab or window and refresh the page. Navigate to one of your collection pages. You should now see an Add to Cart button, along with a quantity field directly on each product card. This allows your customers to choose a quantity and add products to their cart without leaving the collection page, making your store faster and more convenient to shop.